Well, if the passengers on that flight weren't distressed already, they may be the next time they fly Delta. The airline announced today that it will charge passengers $50 for a second checked bag. Kit Doe shows us why Delta may be capitalizing on a bleak situation.
Delta Airlines is soaring into uncharted skies with its latest fee increase for checked baggage. Delta will now charge $50 to check a second piece of luggage. Do you feel like you're getting nickeled and dimed at the airport?
I do, yeah.
For flyers checking 2 bags, Delta now has the highest fees. Most other airlines charge $15 for the first bag and $25 for the second. Frontier and Southwest do not charge for bags yet. Delta issued a written statement saying the increase is essential to generate the necessary revenues to offset record fuel costs. But travel experts say it doesn't take that much extra fuel to transport these bags, and they say all these fees that you're paying, well, it doesn't add up. Al Analik is a travel attorney and says the airlines are taking advantage of the grim economic news and using it as an excuse to charge more fees.
They're losing money, and they're saying it's all because of the fuel surcharges that are needed, but what's happening is they're just throwing on every fee they can.
For Jennifer Toby, this is probably the last time her family will check 8 bags. Nowadays, on most airlines, that would cost her family an extra $200 to $300.
We're going to pack a lot more lightly. We're going to be more careful when we go and take less clothing and just wash.
Yeah. Pack smart and wash and wear. The big squeeze of 2008 continues. In San Jose, Kit Doe, CBS 5.